Bonjour, welcome to another simple French conversation for beginners. In this video, you'll hear a short and friendly exchange at a train station where someone needs help buying a ticket. Stay until the end to review key expressions with real examples. Let's get started.
Bonjour, comment acheter un billet? Hello, how to buy a ticket?
Vous devez utiliser la machine là-bas. You have to use the machine over there.
Ah, je la vois. Et après? Ah, I see it. And then?
Ensuite, vous appuyez sur Acheter un billet. Then you press Buy ticket.
D'accord, je veux aller à Paris. Okay, I want to go to Paris.
Aller simple ou aller-retour? One way or round trip?
Aller simple, s'il vous plaît. One way, please.
Seconde classe. Second class?
Oui, la première est trop chère. Yes, first class is too expensive.
Haha, oui, pour moi aussi. Haha, yes, for me too.
Combien ça coûte? How much does it cost?
12 euros. 12 euros.
Ah zut, mon argent est dans le sac à dos. Oh, my money's in the backpack.
Ne vous inquiétez pas, le train part dans 20 minutes. No worries, the train leaves in 20 minutes.
Parfait, j'adore les gares tranquilles. Perfect, I love relaxed train stations.
Seulement aujourd'hui. Demain, c'est le chaos. Only today. Tomorrow, it's chaos.
Alors mieux vaut partir aujourd'hui. Then it's better to travel today.
Très malin. Very smart.
Merci pour votre aide. Thanks for your help.
Avec plaisir. Bon voyage. You're welcome. Have a good trip. Well done. You just followed a practical conversation in French. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases you heard, complete with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Billet.
Ticket.
Gare.
Train station.
Argent.
Money.
Sac à dos.
Backpack.
Train.
Train.
Minute.
Minute.
Classe.
Class.
Aide.
Help. Verbs.
Acheter.
To buy.
Voir.
To see.
Appuyer.
To press.
Vouloir.
To want.
Partir.
To leave.
Coûter.
To cost.
Inquiéter.
To worry. Adjectives.
Tranquille.
Relaxed.
Cher.
Expensive.
Malin.
Smart. Expressions.
Aller-retour.
Round trip.
Aller simple.
One way.
Mieux vaut.
Better to. Great job! You've just learned how to handle a real-life situation at the train station in French, asking for help, understanding ticket options, and talking about schedules and prices. Don't forget to review the vocabulary and replay the conversation to build your fluency and confidence. We post new videos regularly. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a lesson. À bientôt!